If you are on your feet all day, whether you are a nurse, a teacher, or just someone who values a reliable daily walker, these 2024 New Style Nurse shoes are a game changer for foot comfort. We've all dealt with the end-of-shift foot ache, and this pair is specifically engineered to tackle that head-on with a blend of flexibility and support. The first thing you will notice is the cow tendon sole. In the world of footwear, this is a term for a specialized high-density rubber that is famous for being incredibly flexible, yet highly wear-resistant. When you walk, the sole moves with your foot rather than fighting against it, which significantly reduces the strain on your arches. It also provides excellent slip resistance, which is a must-have if you're moving quickly across hospital tiles or polished school hallways. The upper part of the shoe is crafted for softness. It's a moccasin-style design, often referred to as mom shoes because of their focus on ease and comfort. There are no stiff seams or rigid plastic pieces to dig into your skin. Instead, the material wraps around your foot for a glove-like fit. Many users have specifically mentioned how soft the interior feels right out of the box, with zero break-in period required. You can put these on for an 8-hour shift on day one without worrying about blisters. In terms of style, they feature a classic plain-toe look with a delicate bow embellishment that adds a touch of personality without being unprofessional. They are versatile enough to pair with medical scrubs, casual slacks, or even a simple skirt. They come in several essential colors, including a deep navy, a crisp white, and a sleek black, ensuring they fit into any dress code. The feedback from the community has been outstanding, boasting a 4.7-star rating with over 3,400 pairs already sold. Real customers consistently highlight the cute aesthetics combined with high-end comfort. One shopper mentioned they fit perfectly and look much more expensive than they actually are, while another noted they are planning to buy a second pair in a different color because of how well they hold up. Fit is always a concern with online shopping, but the data here is very reassuring. About 93% of customers say these shoes fit true to size. They are available in a wide range of sizes, including plus sizes, so everyone can find their perfect match. And because they come directly from the factory source, you are getting professional-grade quality without the middleman markup. If you are looking for a reliable, stylish, and most importantly, comfortable shoe that can actually keep up with your busy lifestyle, these nurse shoes are a fantastic choice. They offer the support you need and the look you want, all at an incredible value. Don't forget to use the exclusive coupon code COM93176 at checkout to save even more on your purchase. Thanks for watching, and enjoy every comfortable step.